Hey guys, welcome to another Talk Tech tip. If you have ever had to add disclaimers or logos on several Word documents, and it's kind of frustrating that you're constantly copying and pasting or typing it in manually, you are not alone. And there is a quick and simple tool in Word called Quick Parts tool. And so we are going to learn how to use that today. Let's first start off with text. So here I just have a brief paragraph and I'm going to select all of it. And on our tools bar, go to Insert and Quick Parts, and we're going to select the arrow button. Then we're going to select Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Now we can name this paragraph whatever we would like. You can also add new categories, but we are going to leave it right there and select OK. Now, if you have a Word document and you're ready to add that brief paragraph or text to that Word document, just again go to Insert and Quick Parts, and it is right there under Intro, and it adds it to your page. You can also have it add as a header or footer. So if you have a disclaimer, or maybe you want to put your business's phone number or address and have it always on the header of the document, you can do that as well. You just go here on Intro, right click, and you will see how it says Insert as Page Header or Insert as Page Footer, and there it is in the footer. Let's try it with an image. Select your image, Insert, Quick Parts, Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Let's name it Logo, and here we have it. Going to delete it, and here we can select Logo and have it show there, or maybe I want the logo to be in the header. I'm going to go and right click on the logo and put Insert at Page Header. And that is how you use Quick Parts tool in Word